This guide is designed to help you troubleshoot your stove's performance. Here are the most frequently encountered situations. And remember, contact your local dealer if you encounter any problems. Your appliance is controlled by a control box that reads safety sensors and controls every phase of the unit's combustion process. No power to the unit. Check the power cord. Make sure it's plugged into the power outlet on the wall. Check the circuit breaker for the outlet and make sure it's not tripped. Check the 7 amp fuse on the junction box. There are temperature-sensitive safety sensors called snap discs inside the stove. Like a circuit breaker, they shut off when tripped. Check the number 3 snap disc. If the unit gets too hot in this area, the number 3 snap disc will shut down power to the stove. The unit will not feed pellets. Check the call light on the stove and make sure it's on. If the call light is not on, check the thermostat and thermostat wires. Check the feed adjustment plate in the hopper. If the plate is closed too far, pellets will bridge over the fuel opening in the hopper and the feed tube will empty. To clear this condition, jab your hand several times into the hopper. Check the number 2 snap disc. This disc will turn the feed motor off if the unit gets too hot. Check the number 1 snap disc. This sensor will turn on the convection blower when it gets hot. If the number 1 snap disc failed on the previous cycle, the convection blower would not have come on and the number 2 snap disc would have tripped. Check the vent system. The exhaust blower must come on during the startup cycle and the vent system must be free of obstructions. The vacuum switch will not allow the feed motor to turn on if the exhaust blower does not work or if the chimney pipe is blocked. Check the vacuum switch. Unfasten the end of the supply hose at the vacuum switch and blow compressed air into it to clear it out. Check the feed motor. If the feed motor does not turn, it's possible that the feed auger is jammed or that there is a bad connection in the motor. The unit will not light. Locate and check the igniter. The igniter should be getting red hot when the stove is calling for heat. If the igniter is not getting hot, check the connections to the igniter or replace it. Check the fire pod to make sure it's clean. If the igniter slot is plugged, hot air from the igniter can't light the fuel. Also, check the fire pot cleanout plate. This plate must be closed completely. Check the heat exchanger or vent pipe for excess buildup of ash. If these components are blocked or restricted, it will affect the flow of air through the fire pot and prevent fuel from lighting. The unit is lighting, but the fire goes out. Check the feed adjustment plate in the hopper. If the plate is not open enough, it will not allow enough fuel to drop into the fire pot. Check the thermocouple wire. Remove the protection tube and inspect the thermocouple. If the wire is fractured, replace the thermocouple. Check the thermocouple lights on the control box. During the beginning stages of the combustion cycle, the thermocouple light will turn green. This will tell the control box to start feeding fuel to the firebox again. After the fire continues to get hotter, the red thermocouple light will turn on. This tells the control box that the fire has reached its normal burn temperature. If the lights on the control box do not come on, it could be a bad connection, thermocouple, or control box.